Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A22, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application. From here, tap on the three dots and go to three bars apparently, Manage Contacts, and in here we'll have Import Export Contacts. And you want to select that you want to import contacts from SIM card. Now for me it's SIM 2. For you it could be SIM 1. It just depends which tray you put your SIM card on. From here, once you select it, it will give you all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So simply tap on the ones that you want to import. From there select Done. And then asks you where you want to import them to. For me, I only have the phone as an option. But as an example, if I have logged into a Google account, that would also be an option right here. From there, select Import, gives you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and that's it. So if you go back, you should now see your contacts right here. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.